My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the adware-type extension that is called Files Downloader Assist. Files Downloader Assist. This is an unwanted browser extension which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. Its main purpose is to force users into downloading this extension, and if it gets installed, it starts to display the huge portion of really annoying advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you will periodically be receiving the huge portion of such ads randomly on your screen. To remove these ads, you need to remove this extension by accessing the menu More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove this extension if you find it. In order to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats which could possibly still remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.